For almost 30 years, this has been the #1 selling cargo van on the market today. But we've seen a lot of changes over the last few years, and a lot of people are looking at different types of vans. But one thing I'll tell you, this is the most durable and sturdy van on the market today, except for one other. This is it. This is a great alternative for a cargo van, for the standard cargo van. This is an express cutaway chassis with a 12-foot box. For virtually the same amount of money, you can get yourself something that is more versatile, more durable, more convenient than anything else on the market today. This is not a box van. Entry height is actually lower than a standard cargo van. Two easy steps and you are inside. And look at the usable space. Easy side access door and easy cab access door. Room for all kinds of supplies and tools. Fold down shelving. Translucent roof. LED lights. Easy cab access. Forget about bin packages. Right here is the best thing that's out there today. Adjustable shelving. Fold it up, lay them down. Each shelf will hold up to 250 pounds. Overhead cab storage, backup camera, power windows, power door locks, cruise, tilt, remote keyless entry. Before you go and buy another cargo van, please do yourself a favor and come on out to Sutherland Chevrolet and check out these vans, which are perfect for any kind of business.